Have you heard about the new explanation of ABL? ABL means absorption before leakage. ABL is a test method that simulates the realistic usage of a diaper.
But my customers are always asking for the ISO value.
Yes, we also need to provide the ISO values, but ABL has real advantages. Let me explain the differences between the ISO and ABL measurement methods. The ISO 11948 method measures the theoretical maximum absorption capacity of a diaper. Let me demonstrate this test method. The product is immersed in a urine substitute solution for 30 minutes. After 5 minutes draining, the weight of the wet product is measured. To measure the absorbency level, we calculate wet minus dry weight. Now, let's look at the ABL method. This test simulates the real use of a diaper. First, the product is fixed onto a torso. We put the torso in a real-life position, in this case lying down. Then, we simulate a realistic body weight with a pressure device. Using a urine substitute solution, we simulate the urination of the user. After a defined time, the diaper is tested for leakage. If there are no drops coming out of the diaper, we continue to add the solution until a leakage is observed. As we can see, the urine substitute solution collects mainly in the rear part of the diaper. Next, we weigh the wet product. The ISO method does not take into account a realistic distribution of the key absorption components, SAP and cellulose. Additionally, ISO does not take into account the diaper key features such as absorbent core, product fitting, leakage barriers, elastic materials. Also, with the ISO method, there is no weight or pressure applied to the product. This means ISO is not simulating real-life usage. In contrast, absorption before leakage, or ABL, takes into account all these criteria. Let me give you a real-life example to compare and contrast both approaches. You can compare the ISO method with someone who wears a diaper and jumps into a swimming pool. Can you imagine how it feels to wear a completely wet diaper when coming out of the pool? Do you think that anybody will actually ever urinate such a huge quantity? Now, imagine a person lying in the bed wearing a diaper. The ABL method simulates real-life usage. Using ABL, we can see that our high-quality product will meet the two essential criteria for the diaper user. He or she stays comfortable and dry. It is for this reason that we at Hartmann are promoting the use of the ABL test method. Why? Because ABL allows us to test and evaluate product performance in real-life conditions. ABL helps us to develop and deliver better products that go further to enabling the end user to have a better quality of life.